Guys, today we'll be discussing about technology tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for technology tools. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can select them all. If you select them all, it will enable automatic feature installation from here as well. But for the time being, we will be choosing only a specific sub account, that is location 1. Continue with that and allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency levels. It just takes a while to reload. In the meanwhile, we will discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed technology tools. As you can see, it is installed. Choose on the location on which we have installed technology tools. Here we are on location 1, and now we have to move towards automations to create a workflow and to check on that the actions are working correctly or not. From here, in the navigation bar, you can find for the automations and create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for technology tools. Here it is. It provides three basic actions, that is validate phone number, URL lookup, or IP lookup. Let's just validate any phone number. Save this action. And now we will be testing our workflows. To set an example, you can choose any of your contact and run this test. And now we will be heading towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.